Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making sure both devices have enough power and are near each other. This prevents interruptions. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and open the Smartwatch Companion app or Bluetooth settings, because that is where the phone will detect the watch. On the watch, activate pairing mode, often in settings connectivity or Bluetooth, so the device broadcasts its ID. Once done, look for the watch name on your phone's list and tap it to start the secure connection negotiation. After you tap the watch name, confirm the pairing prompt on both devices. Match the numeric code if shown, because this prevents wrong device connections. Then grant required permissions in the app, notifications, location, contacts, so features work correctly. Make sure to sync time and choose which apps you want mirrored on the watch. This saves battery and reduces noise. If your watch supports auto-updates or app installs, enable them now and allow the initial sync to finish before testing features. Finish by testing core functions. Receive a call, check notification delivery, and open a synced app so you confirm full connectivity. If the connection is flaky, restart both devices to clear temporary Bluetooth faults. This often resolves timing or cache issues. If problems persist, toggle Bluetooth off and on, forget the device in phone settings, then repair. As a last resort, reset network settings or perform a factory reset on the watch, only when other troubleshooting fails.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.